Hello, my lovelies. Welcome to my channel and my art studio. I am Mrs. B, your Catholic art teacher. Last week, we drew these lines like this to create our very own kite. Very well done. And I saw some of your kites and it was really, really well done. Congrats, you're doing a good job, boys and girls. Well, this week, boys and girls, we are going to do a series of lines to create an animal that we catch and we eat. It's a delicacy, and let's see if you can guess what animal that is. So let's get started. Okay, to begin, boys and girls, let us draw a straight line going from one side of your page to the other. Very good job. Some of you are drawing and catching up very well with me. The next line I want you to do is a drawing of a flattened circle like this. Can you do it with me? Round and round the garden like a teddy bear. Well done. And after that, boys and girls, we're going to just draw like long, sort of like a stretched out U shape like that. It's a lot longer than what you used to do. Good job, boys and girls. Then after that, I want you to draw an almost circle like that with an L. Can you do it again? Almost a circle. It's like a letter C, and you draw an L like that. Let's do it the other way now. We're going to do a backward C like that, and then we're going to do an L going the other way. One more time. Backward L, backward C, and a backward L going like that. Oh, well done, boys and girls. You're doing so well. I'm so proud of you. So the next thing we're going to draw, boys and girls, is squares, 3 squares going like that, and a longer rectangle. I'm going to try to draw a square. Try for it to be a rectangle like how I've done it. Good job. I'll wait for you a few seconds, but you can pause the video anytime you wish. All right, boys and girls, we're moving on. Then we're going to draw some circles like that. Going from one side of your page to the other. Then we're going to draw another little circles again, but this time they're smaller. They're little circles like that. You did it well. Well done, boys and girls. And lastly, we're going to have this. It looks like a J. So you do it like this. So you start from below and you finish it at the top. Start from below, finish at the top. Can you guess what these lines, when you put it together, what it's going to be? Let's see, boys and girls. Let's start this drawing. All right. So, boys and girls, we're going to start with a lovely big squashed up circle. Flattens it like a rock. And we're going to do 2 squares like we did before. We've done that before with that shape. And then, but on top of it, we're going to draw a lovely round circle. And then we're going to draw another little circle like that. And then, boys and girls, we're going to draw that rectangle that I told you about. Remember, we did 3 squares, 3 rectangles, but we're going to just do 1. All right, just do 1. And on the end of this, we're going to draw that backward C. Remember doing that backward C and the L shape. Let's do it this way. This is the front. This is actually the forward C. So it's the forward C, front C, and the forward L. But this one is going back now. This is the backward C, going like that. And then we're going to draw that L again. Well done. And on the side of it, boys and girls, we're going to do those 3 little long, elongated, stretched out, if you will, shapes on the side like that. And just to add, we're going to draw that wide U like this, and at the end we're going to draw a little U like that. And there you have it. You have your lovely crab. Yes, it is a crab, and people eat crabs. They have lovely crab backs during the Creole season. So I'd love to see your crab when you've coloured it in, and share it with me. Happy Independence, boys and girls. Bye.